How about that one? What do you notice about the flower? What can you say about? I cannot see the ant.
Yeah, open it. It's there.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
What is that? Let me see. What are you checking out?
Ribs.
Leaves?
Yeah. And
Where?
there.
Where?
There.
Okay, put it in your basket. How about the leaves? Leaves. Oh, this is a dried leaves. See? See the color? Oh, put your magnifying glass here. What's the color of the leaves?
Orange.
Oh, because it's dry. That's why it's orange. How about this one? What's the color of dragon? What's the color of these leaves?
Red. It's too big.
Oh, it's too big. Okay. Oh, do you want to get a sample?
Wow. Pink.
What color is that?
Pink.
Pink. And what else?
What is the pink?
Orange and pink.
Yeah. Oh.
What is that?
Orange.
It's a green.
Orange. This. Orange. Green. Orange. Mommy, look.
What is that?
Green.
Leaves?
Green.
What color?
Wow. Blue.
Oh, look at the leaves. It's moving.
Yeah.
Because the wind is blowing.
Yeah. Yeah. Waving.
Oh, look.
Wow.
It's moving.
Mommy.
Because of the what? Because of what?
Winning.
Windy?
Yeah, windy.
Because of the wind.
Okay.
Whoa, what did you pick?
Flowers. Hey.
Flowers.
Mommy, rock.
Here.
Okay.
More. And here. Put stick.
Oh, there you go.
Mommy,
Where are the
mine.
leaves?
Mommy, mine.
Yes. The leaves that you got from from outside, from the garden.
Yeah, ribs.
Look at them. The
Mommy.
twigs. What do you call these?
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, go. What is this? A dried leaves. Look at the dried leaves.
Look, mommy, orange,
Mm.
white ribs,
Look at the color. Yeah, this one.
white ribs.
How about this one?
Yes,
A twigs.
it's
It's a small branch. Twigs.
it's a car wash.
Yes. And this one, what is this?
What's the car wash?
Oh, look at it. From your magnifying glass. See it?
Yes.
What's the color?
Mommy, car wash. Yeah.
What's the color of that flower?
Pink.
Pink. Oh, we're going to put them
Mommy,
here, ah.
Look.
Yeah. Going to put them here, ako.
Look.
We need to stick them. We're going to stick them.
Mommy,
more. Squeeze more. Okay? This side. And this side. Okay. And we will put it here. There you go.
Bella, one here.
Now, put here. Rocco, more. Here. Okay. This side. Okay, this side, this side.
Me.
Okay. Oh. Another one. Okay. Oh, put the frame. There you go. Oh, go. Put the frame. Oh, no need. You press. Press. This one, I think you need to put this. Rocco, here. Here. No. Put the glue. Here. Oops. Go. Okay. Wait, more. Okay.
Sticky.
Yes, it's sticky.
Move.
Okay.
Mommy, move.
Okay, look. Look at your frame.
Mommy, rock.
And look here. Smile. Show it. Smile. Here, look here. Here.